Hello, good to see you here. Thank you for visiting my website and this page of the 13 Souls. What an interesting title, Merel. What does it mean? Well, it's my 13th book, and in the beginning of January, I have been visited by 13 different souls that showed me their talents and their powers, and I really needed that because I had lost mine, and I had just had a very difficult period of 2 years where my heart was broken and my soul was broken, and my soul was broken beyond repair, and she kept on dragging me down. So I had to fire her. Now, there are not so many people on the earth who have no soul, and there are none living under their oversouls. But I am now, so let's see how this works. I'd love you to come with me on my journey, and I'll tell you about what those souls had to tell me and what they had to show me and how they helped me heal and become whole again. So now I am on a new timeline and I have new possibilities. So thank you for being here. There are 2 buttons that you can click for an ebook or a print on demand, and it will be sent to you at home. So thanks and bye.